So the other day I was talking to my wife, and she said, "Oh, honey, my car is out of windshield washer fluid. I need you to fill it up. I've got a fresh jug behind the seat." And I commented back, "Oh yeah, my car's out of windshield washer fluid too. I'll take care of that." And then of course I forgot about it for about a week, and we had bad weather, and I needed windshield washer fluid. Finally got around to it, and my wife has a Chrysler 300. It takes an entire gallon jug of windshield washer fluid. I put the windshield washer fluid in and realized there's nothing left for my car. So what am I going to do? Well, I didn't want to drive down to the store. I remembered back when I was a beginning technician, and I was working at an auto dealership, and the managers weren't exactly the most upstanding people when it came to honesty. And they were getting paid by the automaker to top off all the fluids on the cars and to buy glass cleaner. Well, instead of buying glass cleaner, these guys got a 55-gallon drum. They would dump in about 2 or 3 bottles of isopropyl alcohol and then fill it with water and toss a toilet duck in and call it good. And we had problems with customers' windshield washer reservoirs busting in winter. So you can't just do that and expect it to work. But I have researched online and looked up a little bit of chemistry and whatnot. If you want to keep water from freezing, you want 10% isopropyl alcohol. So that means if you use 91% isopropyl alcohol, which you got to be careful, some of this comes in 50%, 70%, 91 is the high octane stuff. But if you take 91% isopropyl alcohol and you put a quart in with, or if you put a half quart in with a full quart of glass cleaner into one of these jugs and fill it up the rest of the way with water, that gets you a really decent glass cleaner for your car, and it's not going to freeze up in the winter here in the southern states. In the northern states or in Canada, you may want to go with a full quart. But so, anyways, I had some of this stuff on hand. I had so I filled up this gallon jug. I had a half a bottle of isopropyl alcohol in my cabinet. Threw it in. Had a full quart of glass cleaner. Threw it in. Filled it up with water. Put it in my car. Works great. Ammonia and alcohol actually work together well to clean. I have seen a lot of recipes that talk about using vinegar for de-icing fluid. You can mix vinegar and ammonia, but ammonia is a base, vinegar is an acid. They counteract each other and they don't work as well together. But alcohol and ammonia work really well. So keep that in mind. This is about $2. I think this is about $2. I looked it up. AutoZone has window cleaner for $4, so I didn't save myself any money at all. But I had the stuff here handy, and in a pinch, I made my own windshield washer fluid. I hope someday that helps you too. I should finish up that they don't have this glass cleaner for $4. This is more like $6 or $7, but they do have glass cleaner that'll work for $4. So I didn't save any money.